Dancehall artist Alkaline's new album, Top Prize, recently debuted at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Since the album was released on May 14, it has been getting rave reviews on the scene. Top Prize was outdone by Bob Marley and the Wailers' 30-year-old album, which holds the number 1 spot. The 14-track album consists of the previously released tracks like Ocean Wave and Cree, while boasting new songs like Magic, Hostage, More Life, and a slew of others like Maniac. Top Prize is the follow-up to Alkaline's 2016 release, New Level Unlocked. Reggae artist Dana has finally received her Billboard plaque for her 2014 album titled I Rise. The plaque comes 7 years after the project was released. The reggae singer took to Instagram on Friday, where she uploaded a short video of herself unveiling the coveted plaque she received for holding down the number 1 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. In her caption, she expressed gratitude, sending thanks to all the musicians, writers, composers, producers on the album, and all her fans who purchased and streamed her music. The album featured singles Selassie is the Chapel, which is a cover of the Oreos' Crying in the Chapel, How Long, I Rise, and Stepping Out of Babylon. I Rise was released by VP Records and produced by veteran reggae producer Clive Hunt. The Strong One is now the owner of 2 Billboard plaques. She also holds a Billboard plaque for her 2018 album Reggae Forever, which was independently released with minor distribution assistance from TADS and VP Records. Congrats, Satana. Now, dancehall artist Skilly Bang secured his first Billboard entry on the Hot 100 with Crocodile Teeth remix. The single, which was re-released featuring rapper Nicki Minaj, entered the charts in the 100th position. Since the track debuted over a week ago, the song has been streamed more than 2.4 million times on Spotify and gained over 2.6 million streams on YouTube. The track is also trending number 7. Crocodile Teeth remix is featured on Nicki's 2009 re-released mixtape Beam Me Up Scotty. I'm Date Ran reporting for E! Prime.